Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can edit a photo on CapCut. So press new project and you are going to go to photos and select the photo you want, and you are going to press add. Then you can add filters, as you can see here. I'm just going to find one really quick. Maybe I'll try. Okay, for instance, this one. Then I'm just going to press the checkmark button. Here I can adjust the strength of the filter. And then I can go and also adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, exposure, sharpen, the colors, highlight, shadow, temperature, hue, fade, etc. So I'm just going to add grain just a little bit. And then I can also add effects to the picture. But it does move, make the picture move. If you don't want that, just go and press the back button over here to undo it. You can add in text stickers too. You can even add in a sort of canvas so it looks like a frame. I just choose the color white. Once you're done, you're just going to export it. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!